Well, hey everybody, welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we are going to be showing you how to make Arby's signature sauce. Cue the music. Well, hey, thanks a lot for joining us today. If this is your first time watching us, please do me a favor and hit that little subscribe button right down there in the corner, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. All right, well, you tuned in to watch me show you how to make Arby's signature sauce. This is going to be a real quick, real easy demo, and here are our list of ingredients as we go into the kitchen here. We're going to start out with a 1/4 cup of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 4 to 6 tablespoons of water, 5 drops of Tabasco sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now the recipe will be down in the description box, so let's head into the kitchen and start making this up. Alright, so we got all of our ingredients right here. All we're going to start doing is mixing this together. Real quick, real simple ingredients. I got the ketchup in first. Add the water, brown sugar, or apple cider vinegar. This has got our onion powder, garlic powder, and salt are all combined in here. And then of course our 5 to 6 drops of the Tabasco sauce. Alright, I've got this all mixed together, but I'm not going to mix it up with a rubber scraper, so I will just mix it all up in here. Now I did get, this is a copycat recipe. This isn't something I came up with because I'm a brilliant genius as a chef, but it's off of wonkywonderful.com. It is a copycat recipe. I will post that down below in the description box as well. But I'm just showing you how to do it. I am not creating it. I'm just showing you how to make it. So we got the sauce mixed, but now comes the most important part. We're going to transition over to our little saucepan and we're going to heat this up. Alright, so basically all you do here is you heat it over your low medium heat for about 20 minutes. Keep stirring it, especially in the last 10 minutes. And we're just going to get this up to a boil, and then we're just going to continue to stir it. You don't have to sit here and watch it for the next 20 minutes. Alright, well, it's been about 20 minutes now. It has reduced just a little bit and thickened up. What we're going to do now is I'm going to turn this off. We're going to set this into a nice bowl so you can see what it looks like. And we're going to take some awesome photos of it for social media. Then we're going to put that into the timeline with some groovy music. Then we're going to come back and we are going to give this a taste. Enjoy the pictures and enjoy the music. Here is that sauce. It smells just like the Arby's sauce, but it comes right out of the packet. I can almost imagine it with a roast beef sandwich or some ham. Yep, tastes just like it. Got the little vinegar kick, the richness of the tomato sauce, of the ketchup. That brown sugar smooths it all out. That Tabasco sauce gives it just a little bit of heat, but not too much where it overwhelms it. So yeah, this is your recipe for it. Arby's signature sauce. Don't gather packets in your house. Don't ask anymore. Make your own and enjoy it with your sandwich. Now you do want to make sure that you put it in a nice airtight container. Let it cool properly, and then keep it in your refrigerator. 1 to 2 weeks. Should be okay. But you got plenty of time to enjoy it. Make sure you use it up and it doesn't get pushed back in the back of your refrigerator. Hey, I appreciate you watching today. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to check out that description box on your way out. Not only does it contain the recipe for this show, but it also has a bunch of groovy links. I have a gourmet seasoning shop on Etsy and also have a cookbook on sale. Those links are down there. Don't forget to check out the playlists I've got down there for how to create a cooking show on YouTube, and also a playlist link for how to improve your channel and help it grow. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already, and then make sure you share this video with everyone that you know. Take care of yourself. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time, right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.